Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and we are in the second week of January. I thought because one of my favorite oranges, Cara Cara, are in season, I am gonna make something special with you. It's a soft pillow-like ciambella, which is probably similar to a pound cake, but a lot healthier for you, with infused flavors of Cara Cara orange, lemon, and vanilla. It's delicious with coffee, it's delicious for breakfast. If you have a friend over, you can share it with tea, and it's super easy and it stays good up to a week, so you can have it through the week. You will need 150 grams of sugar, the peel of 1 lemon, the peel of 1 Cara Cara orange. You will need 50 grams of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 100 grams of freshly squeezed orange juice. This averages to 1 orange and 1 lemon. If you are a little bit short, you can add a tiny bit of water. If you are a lot short, just cut another lemon or orange to make up the difference. 4 organic eggs, 200 grams of double O flour, 80 grams of sunflower oil, 8 grams or a half a baggie of lievito per dolci, which is the Italian one, but you can substitute for baking powder, and that's 8 grams. 1 teaspoon of vanilla and a little bit of powdered sugar to top it off at the end. And lastly, a bundt pan that you have already prepared with a little bit of butter and flour. If it is non-stick, then you don't need to do this step. Also, I'm gonna preheat the oven at 335 degrees. Step 1. We are gonna take our little finger and squeeze together the lemon peel and the sugar. This will release all of the aromas of the citruses into the sugar, and the more you do it, the more intense it's gonna be. I like mine pretty lemony and citrusy, so I'm gonna do this until it becomes a fine powder. Step 2, we are gonna separate the eggs with the yolk inside our lemon and sugar mix and the whites on a clean bowl all by themselves. Step 3, we are gonna mix the whites into a fluffy cloud of snow and then the yolks. If you do the yolks first, remember to wash your blades. But if you do the whites first, you do not need to wash your blades once you go into the yolks. This is the consistency you want, and if you're in doubt if they are fully done, you can always do this. If they don't spill, it means that it's fully ready. Now that the whites are done, we're gonna set them aside. We are gonna whip the yolks with the sugar, the lemon, and the orange zest. Now that we have this beautiful foamy batter, we are gonna add to it the juices of the orange and the lemon, the oil, and the vanilla. So the juice, the oil, and our teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I like my vanilla a little bit generous, as I really enjoy the warm taste of vanilla. Without turning on the mixer, you're gonna give it a quick swirl until everything is together. The next step, we're gonna mix in the powders, which is the double O flour and the 8 grams of baking powder. We're gonna turn on our mixer just enough to make it all blend together. In order to avoid powder spray, I like to give it a little premix by hand. The final step, we're gonna put our egg whites in here, being super, super careful on not breaking all the little air bubbles that we have formed. So for this step, we have to mix by hand from the bottom to the top until everything is nicely blended together. You have to be very gentle, as this is a very delicate batter and we want to keep all the fluffiness in order to have a delicious, spongy and light cake. This is what it should look like when you're done. It should still be really fluffy and light, but everything should be mixed really well together. It's time to pour it into our bundt cake pan that's already floured and buttered. And we want to be really gentle when we're doing this. Now we're gonna put it into our preheated oven at 335 Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. While the cake is baking, the house is filling up with an amazing citrus aroma. It smells delicious. I'm gonna brew a cup of tea. Although I am a coffee lover, for this specific cake, I recommend a fresh pot of tea because I feel it enhances all the citrus aromas and the vanilla extract. It's super fluffy and spongy and light, and the house is filled with the citrus aroma. It's decadent. I am gonna dive in and taste it right now. It's amazing. I am now gonna enjoy this with my husband and take a 5-minute break on this beautiful Saturday afternoon. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're making the recipe. Please tag me on Instagram if you do. Leave messages down below. Share tips and tricks for other recipes that you might have. I look forward interacting with each and every one of you. I look forward answering your questions, and I will see you next Sunday with a brand new video. Bye. Enjoy your week.